Rascal, you trying to get in the video? Hello, welcome to our DIY January Jumpstart. Hey, Kim. Rascal trying to get in the video. I guess he gonna make something tonight. Kim, this is my daughter.
I don't think she's...
You're gonna have to get out the way. Hi, Paulette. Hi, Crystal. We're gonna get started in just a second. As soon as Rascal decides to make an exit. He's trying to stay by his mommy. Okay, so before we get started with the DIY, I just have a couple of announcements to make. First of all, don't forget we have the 10% off on the starter kits and 10% off the holiday bundle, and that continues through the 26th. Don't forget that we have a team Zoom on tomorrow night, Habits for Healthy Living, and that Zoom is at 8 o'clock. Hi, Miss Neva. So if you don't have the link to the Zooms that take place every Monday and Thursday, just let me know, and they are welcome to the public, and I will share that link with you. We offer classes by email, text message, of course here on Facebook, and also twice a week on Zoom. So lots of learning and education going on, so just let me know where you want me to plug you in, and I'll be happy to do that. Tonight's class will be a two-part series. I have slides to show. There are actually 16 slides. So what we're going to start with first is that my mini-me and I are going to demonstrate one of the DIYs that's actually on slide number 14. So we'll demonstrate that tonight, and I'm going to split the rest of them up over 3 days. So what I'll do is tonight I'll post 5, the first 5. On Wednesday I'll post 5, and then on Thursday I'll post 5. So throughout the week I'll leave them sitting there so you can go back on the OG Lampstand page throughout the week and get all the slides and all the recipes. Okay? Will that work? Cool. All right. So what we're going to demonstrate tonight is actually for skincare. It's an exfoliating mixture. Is that what I should call it? Coffee, what do you call it?
Scrub.
Coffee scrub, sugar scrub. Like a sugar scrub, but it's a coffee scrub. So let's first discuss the benefits of coffee and grapefruit. I left the grapefruit.
Do you
Okay.
want to eat it?
Yeah, go get it. Like, let everything on the table except for grapefruit. Okay. So let's talk about some of the things you need first of all. In the box that you lift up, right there by my on the inside of my bedroom to the left, where I keep all my oils, it's in there. You need a glass container. So this is just a glass jar here. If you buy honey or anything that's in glass, save your jar. Or you can order glass jars on Amazon. You need a measuring cup. You would need an oil of your choice. So this is almond oil, and I also have olive oil. So you don't want to use something that's not natural. You don't want to use like vegetable oil or something like that. You want to use something that's natural. So I prefer olive oil or almond oil. And this is grapefruit essential oil. Another one that is really great for cellulite is cypress essential oil. And of course, coffee. All right. So Lene is going to share with you some of the benefits of coffee and caffeine and grapefruit. You can just read it starting right there.
Did you know that coffee grounds have amazing benefits for your skin? The benefits are exfoliating and smoothing of the skin, anti-inflammatory properties, and reduces eye puffiness, temporary reduction of cellulite, and it improves circulation. Why coffee grounds? Caffeine actually helps tighten the skin, which can reduce cellulite. When applied under and around the eyes, it can minimize the appearance of puffy eyes because caffeine restricts blood vessels, which reduces swelling and inflammation. It can also treat non-hereditary dark circles under the eyes.
Okay. So this is an 8-ounce glass jar, and we're gonna use.
Don't put your glasses like that.
Thank you. We're gonna use a half a cup of olive oil. Actually, I'm gonna use the almond oil. I need to save that to cook something later.
This is 1/3.
That's fine. Just don't go all the way to the top. That's good. Okay, the recipe calls for.
No, we need more than that. 1/3 is less than 1/2.
Okay. One cup of the coffee ground.
Get it in there. That ain't even hell. Forward.
You see what happens when we are together? It's like this all the time. Okay. See, I'm getting it on my iPad. That's a cup.
I think so.
Okay. Oh.
I gotta wear these pants tomorrow.
Okay. This is grapefruit essential oil. 10 drops. And just let it just drop out. Don't shake it. Just let it naturally fall. 1, 2. This is slow. Let me turn it. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, good. Is that everything?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, 8-ounce glass, grapefruit. We're not putting grape. The recipe actually calls for 10 drops of grapefruit and 5 drops of cypress, but I'm just doing just grapefruit. Then the coffee. Okay, then let's stir it up. Can you stir with that? You want to get a spoon? Go get a spoon. She gonna get a spoon so we can stir it up. Okay, I did want to share one more thing. So if you're like targeting cellulose, then you want to use the cypress and the grapefruit. If you're targeting, like if you're dealing with musculoskeletal discomfort and you're using this on your legs, then what you can do is you can add to this one of the essential oils that supports musculoskeletal. So that would be like a Panaway or Copaiba, or you can use the Ortho Ease massage oil, or you can even use the Cellulite massage oil. So there are different variations that you can do with the coffee scrub. And now you want to share with them why you like the coffee scrub?
I just use it to exfoliate and get the skin off.
See, she uses for that, and I would use it, of course, with the grapefruit and cypress. You got it? Okay.
I'm not finished.
Oh, you're not finished? Okay.
It's not really wet enough, but
You can add a little. You can add a little more oil if you need to.
never mind.
That's fine. So this is it. Let me see this one right quick. So it's kind of like, you know, like that. And you just rub this, you know, on your skin. So that's it. Recipe number 1. Thanks for watching. It is currently 7:13, so just stay tuned. In about 2 minutes, right at 7:15, I'll post the first slide, and we're going to do 5 slides tonight. Between Sunday, Wednesday, and Sunday, Tuesday, and Wednesday will be all of the slides. And I'm going to check on here, and whoever comments on every single slide will be entered for the drawing for the prize for this class. Okay? All right. I'll be drawing for the class. I'll be drawing for the prize on next weekend. So I'm going to give you all week to get through and be able to get through and comment on all of them. And then on next Sunday, I'll draw the prize. Okay? All right. Thanks for watching part 1. Part
Bye.
2 coming soon.
Bye.